got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Perfect.
It's like 8 hours.
Oh yeah, that was good. Yeah.
I'm in Atlanta.
Okay, yeah, you're right there.
Yeah.
What you running in here, man?
ZV6 15s on 3 JP83s, half over piece.
I'm gonna leave that with you, brother.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
What can I follow you on social media?
Just One Loud Ranger on TikTok.
Yes, sir. Y'all know I get my tag down below. That was good seeing you, bro.
Hey, man.
Well, you want to slam this year?
I'm probably covered.
Okay, we'll get together again.
All right, man.
All right, bro. Get it.
You got one, all right?
How you doing, man?
Got a little fucking Gucci. Was happy to see I be rapping up Japanese me just like you was some sushi.
Man. Thank you.
Got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.